Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can tap on one of those apps, select three lines at the top left corner to choose one of those sources, and when you're ready, click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Lastly, just hold your files that you wish to add. In my case, this video and this song. Lastly, hit select at the top right corner to add your files. So when I do that, as you can see, both of them were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!